Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious and mouth-watering THAYIR vadai or dahi vada with my secret tip to get a perfect THAYIR vadai each time. Let's see the ingredients. Today I have taken about 2 cups of urad dal. Let's soak it for about 2 hours. We need about 2 liters of curd, some mustard seeds, about 1 teaspoon of urad dal, about 2 green chilies which is chopped finely, some curry leaves which is also finely chopped, about 3-inch size of ginger which is crushed, 2 teaspoons of fresh coriander leaves which is finely chopped. Now take a pan. Into the pan let's add about 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add the mustard seeds, about 1 teaspoon. Let's add about 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Let the urad dal become nice and golden brown. Now you can see that our urad dal is nice and golden brown. At this stage, let's add the crushed ginger. The ginger gives a nice aroma to the curd. Now let's add the chopped chilies, the curry leaves, and stir fry for about 2 minutes till all the aroma is nicely released in the oil. Now let's add about half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, now let's switch off the flame and transfer all the ingredients into the curd. Now let's add sufficient salt into the curd and check the seasoning. Now let's mix everything thoroughly, and finally let's add the finely chopped coriander leaves into the curd. Now you can see that our curd mixture is ready. Let's transfer it into a wide mouth bowl. So keep it aside. Let's prepare the batter for the vadai. Now into a grinder, let's add the urad dal which we soaked for about 2 hours. Do not add too much water initially. Let us grind it into a fine paste. Now you can see, at this stage, let's add about half a cup of water. It should be a thick batter. Now you can see that our batter is ready. At this stage, add sufficient salt and mix it thoroughly. Now let's prepare the vadai. First, dip your hands in water and make tiny balls with the batter. Pierce a hole in the center and deep fry it in hot oil. If it's difficult for you to get the right shape, you can place the batter on a banana leaf or a plastic sheet. Make the perfect shape and then transfer the batter into the hot oil and deep fry it. Do not over crisp the vadai. It should come to a light brown consistency on both sides. Now when the vadai reaches the right consistency, let's transfer all the vadai into a paper towel and wait till all the oil is well drained. Now you can see that our vadai has reached the perfect consistency. Let's remove it from the hot oil. Now watch carefully. Here comes the secret tip to get the perfect THAYIR vadai each time. In a bowl, I've taken about 2 cups of the curd that we prepared earlier. Dilute it with about 2 cups of water and added sufficient salt. Now let's transfer the fried vadai into the diluted curd first. Soak it well and then transfer it into the thick curd. Immerse it completely in the thick curd. Now repeat the same process with all the fried vadai. First immerse it into the diluted curd and then transfer it into the thick curd. In this way, you can get a fluffy and soft THAYIR vadai each time you make it, and it also avoids the THAYIR vadai from absorbing a lot of curd. Our THAYIR vadai will be absolutely moist and soft and fluffy and mouth-watering. So this is the secret tip, friends. You can follow this method to get a perfect THAYIR vadai each time you make it. Always use a wide bowl to arrange all the THAYIR vadai and soak them completely. Let it soak for about half an hour and a THAYIR vadai is absolutely ready. Finally, let's garnish our THAYIR vadai with the chopped coriander leaves. So that's it, friends. A delicious, mouth-watering and soft and fluffy THAYIR vadai is ready. Do try this delicious recipe and enjoy it with your family and friends. See you all soon with another interesting video. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.